Moral story: The Nightingale and the Rose. Once a young boy was crying in a garden for a red rose. A nightingale overheard the boy and felt sorry for him. She flew to a nearby rose bush and said that if it gave her a red rose, she would sing her best song for it. The rose bush said it had only white roses. Another bush told her that it only had golden roses. Finally, she reached a bush that said its roses were redder than the corals in the ocean. But the nightingale would have to press her wing next to a thorn and sing all night long. Feeling that love was worth dying for, the nightingale pressed her wing against a thorn. She sang all night long. This way, on the rosebush's highest branch, a magnificent red rose was born, a gift of love. Moral: True love exists.